Okay, so I'm going to do a quick video here, show you a little bit of the Cosmopolitan. And I'm going to entitle this video, How to Find Secret Pizza. Because everybody talks about secret pizza. And it's really a secret because if you go take a look at the sign here, as these nice people get by, you will look in vain to discover anything about a pizza joint. So we're going to show you where it is so you can feel cool. But we're not going to take this camera on the escalator again, so we're going to pause it for a minute. Okay, once you come off the elevator, on the second floor, you'll see a number of places to eat, including the very popular Egg Slut, which apparently make a very tasty breakfast sandwich if you want to stand in line to get it. They have a nice seating area around here. Coming around this way, Holstein's apparently is quite good at meat, which might make sense if you think about it. And then over here is the Marquee Nightclub and Day Club. I don't think we're doing much day clubbing here in January, but one of the popular night spots here in town. Some additional food outlets. But you know what? We do not see any pizza. And that's because the pizza is not on the second floor. We're going to have to go up one more level. And so I'm going to pause this video. We're going to go up to level 3 and see if we can find secret pizza. So now we're back on the 3rd level. Very popular restaurant there, Jaleo, Jose Andre. And there's my finger. We haven't had an appearance of my finger in a while. Beauty in Essex. I don't know what the ice rink is. I don't know of any ice rinks. I don't see any pizza. Where could it be? There's more restaurants. There's STK. There's Milos, Las Vegas. There's Zuma. There's Blue Ribbon, but no pizza. Unless you know how to get there. This does not take you into Blue Ribbon at all. This takes you down a long hallway filled with unusual memorabilia and a place that puts old record covers on the side of the wall. That will either remind you of how old you are or mystify you. But once you get down to the end of this hallway, past the lovely slot machines, there is a spoof or counter where you can order some pizza. Secret pizza. So that's how you find it. You're going to want to come up to level 3, and you're going to want to look for the sign for another restaurant, which I don't even remember what it was. We're going to come around and look. But for the Blue Ribbon restaurant, you're going to veer just to the right. And you're going to know where secret pizza is because you're an insider. Hey, thanks for watching this video. As always, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.